Astrochemistry is a vital field of science that delves into the chemical reactions, processes, and phenomena in space. Scientists have long been fascinated by the origins of life on Earth and how it may exist elsewhere in the universe. One of the key questions that astrochemistry seeks to answer is how the building blocks of life, like amino acids, first formed. By studying the composition of comets, meteorites, and other celestial bodies, astrochemists can gain insight into how the basic ingredients for life were formed and transported throughout the universe. They can also investigate the environments in which these reactions may have occurred, such as deep space or the surfaces of planets and moons. In this video, we will explore the exciting world of astrochemistry and discuss the latest breakthroughs in our understanding of the building blocks of life in the universe. We will interview leading astrochemists who are conducting groundbreaking research into the chemical processes that occur in space, as well as experts in biology and astronomy who can provide an interdisciplinary perspective on this fascinating topic. Join us as we journey through the cosmos and discover the chemical origins of life itself. Astrochemistry is the scientific discipline that helps us understand the building blocks of life in the universe. The mysteries of the universe have always fascinated us, and scientists have been trying to unravel them for centuries. For the past few decades, research in astrochemistry has made incredible strides in understanding how the elements that make up the universe originated and how they combine to form molecules and complex structures, leading to the emergence of life as we know it. According to statistics, nearly 70 of the elements in the universe are hydrogen, while around 28 are helium, and the rest is made up of heavier elements such as carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and iron. These elements formed shortly after the Big Bang, but it was not until the formation of stars that the heavier elements were created. Through processes such as nuclear fusion and the death of stars, these elements were spread throughout the universe, making it possible for complex molecules to form. One of the most fascinating aspects of astrochemistry is how it studies the formation of complex molecules in space. In interstellar space, complex molecules such as amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins, have been discovered. These discoveries have led to the notion that life's building blocks were created in space and delivered to Earth through comets and asteroids. Furthermore, astrochemistry has also shed light on how planets like Earth formed. According to statistics, our solar system formed around 4.6 billion years ago through the collapse of a giant cloud of gas and dust. It was during this process that the planets formed, and life on Earth began. Studying the chemical composition of the planets in our solar system gives scientists insight into how planets are formed and how life might thrive on other planets. Astrochemistry has also contributed to our understanding of the environment on other planets in our solar system and beyond. By using spectrometers and other scientific instruments, astrochemists can analyze the chemical composition of planets, moons, and asteroids. By knowing what elements and molecules exist on other planets, astrochemists can determine if conditions are favorable for life to exist. In conclusion, astrochemistry is an exciting and rapidly evolving field of study that is helping us unlock the mysteries of the universe. Through studying the chemical composition of the universe and the emergence of complex molecules and structures, astrochemists have made significant contributions to our understanding of how life started on Earth and the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe. With new technologies and research methods, the future of astrochemistry is bright, and we are sure to discover even more fascinating facts about our universe.
In the vast expanse of the universe, there may be other intelligent civilizations out there, sending out messages into space just like we are. The quest to decipher these extraterrestrial signals has propelled the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, for decades, using advanced technologies and scientific methods to explore the unknown. In the upcoming video, Decoding Alien Signals, a look into SETI's research, we delve into the exciting and intriguing world of SETI research, exploring the latest advancements in signal analysis and seeking to understand what potential alien messages may mean for humanity. Through interviews with leading scientists in the field, we learn about the various techniques used to detect and analyze signals from space, such as radio telescopes and interstellar communication systems. We also discover the challenges and limitations faced by SETI researchers, from the vast distances and complex mathematical algorithms involved, to the philosophical and ethical implications of contact with alien civilizations. Our experts will guide you through the intricacies of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, providing insights into the cutting-edge science being conducted in laboratories and observatories around the world. Join us on this journey as we decode the mysterious alien signals and explore the possibility of intelligent life beyond our planet. Have you ever wondered if there's intelligent life beyond Earth? With the constantly evolving technological advancements in our world, it seems only fitting that we would attempt to contact beings whom we believe are intelligent life forms. This is where the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, comes in. SETI is devoted to decoding alien signals in the hopes of communicating with extraterrestrial life. Did you know that in the Milky Way alone, there are an estimated 200 billion stars? And the number of exoplanets discovered so far exceeds 4,000. It's a vast universe, and the possibilities of encountering intelligent life are endless. SETI researchers have been listening for alien signals for decades, using a variety of technologies. The Arecibo radio telescope, for example, is used to search for radio waves that may be sent out by alien civilizations. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, SETI researchers remain hopeful in their search for intelligent life. In fact, the Kepler Space Telescope has revealed that there are billions of potentially habitable planets in our galaxy alone. The potential for discovering alien signals is higher than ever before. However, the search for extraterrestrial life is not without its challenges. The vastness of space and the distance between stars makes it difficult to detect alien signals. Not to mention, we don't know what form these signals may take or what they may contain. SETI researchers have been using algorithms to analyze incoming data, hoping to detect any patterns or signals that may indicate the presence of intelligent life. As we continue to search for extraterrestrial signals, it's important to keep an open mind and remain patient. It's possible that we may make groundbreaking discoveries in the near future, but it's also possible that we may not detect anything for years to come. Regardless, the search for intelligent life remains an important and fascinating endeavor that keeps pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding of the universe. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence is an ongoing and intriguing process that has the potential to reveal groundbreaking discoveries about our universe. While the odds of finding intelligent life may be low, the possibility alone is enough to fuel the curiosity and drive of SETI researchers. As we continue to advance technologically, our ability to decode alien signals may also improve, bringing us closer to discovering the existence of extraterrestrial life.
As we gaze up at the stars, we can only imagine what lies beyond our galaxy. But what if we could explore and study distant worlds? That's exactly what the study of exoplanets is all about. These fascinating planets orbit stars outside our solar system, and they may hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. In our upcoming documentary, Exoplanets Unraveling the Mysteries of Distant Worlds, we dive deep into this exciting field of research. Our team of experts will guide you on a journey through the galaxy, as we witness firsthand the latest discoveries and breakthroughs in exoplanet research. From the rocky terrain of Kepler 10b to the fiery atmosphere of WASP 121b, we'll explore the wide range of exoplanets that exist beyond our own solar system. But our research doesn't stop at just discovering these distant worlds. We'll also explore how exoplanet research is impacting our understanding of our own planet and even the possibilities of life beyond Earth. Join us as we embark on this unforgettable journey through the cosmos. As we explore the vast expanse of our universe, we are constantly uncovering new mysteries and uncovering knowledge about the distant worlds that exist beyond our own. With the discovery of exoplanets, we have unlocked an entirely new realm of exploration and discovery, providing us with a glimpse into the diversity of planets that exist beyond our own solar system. In recent years, the study of exoplanets has exploded, with astronomers and researchers working tirelessly to uncover the secrets of these distant worlds. To date, more than 4,000 exoplanets have been discovered, with over 50 of these being considered potentially habitable. These incredible statistics only scratch the surface of what we have yet to discover about these worlds. One of the most exciting aspects of the study of exoplanets is the potential for discovering extraterrestrial life. While we have yet to discover definitive evidence of life beyond our own planet, the possibility of life existing on other planets is a tantalizing possibility. As we study the atmospheres, compositions, and environments of exoplanets, we are slowly unraveling the secrets of these worlds and inching closer towards answering one of the most fundamental questions of our existence. In addition to the search for extraterrestrial life, the study of exoplanets helps us to better understand the universe as a whole. By examining the different types of exoplanets that exist, such as gas giants, rocky planets, and ice giants, we can gain a better understanding of the formation and evolution of planets, both within our own solar system and beyond. These insights provide us with a valuable glimpse into the complex mechanisms that shape our universe. Furthermore, the study of exoplanets has also helped us to uncover new insights into the habitability of planets. By exploring the environments and conditions of exoplanets, we are gaining a better understanding of the factors that are necessary to sustain life. This knowledge is crucial in our efforts towards discovering extraterrestrial life, as it helps us to narrow down our search to planets that are most likely to support living organisms. Despite the incredible progress that has been made in the study of exoplanets, there is still much more to discover. With the advancement of technology and the continued dedication of researchers and astronomers, we are poised to uncover even more mysteries of these distant worlds. From the potential for discovering extraterrestrial life to gaining insights into the formation and evolution of planets, the study of exoplanets represents one of the most exciting and dynamic fields of exploration in modern science. So as we continue to explore the vast expanse of our universe, let us remember the incredible potential that lies within the study of exoplanets. Through our continued efforts, we can unlock the mysteries of these distant worlds and gain a deeper understanding of the complex mechanisms that shape our universe.
As humans, we have always been fascinated by the possibility of life beyond our own planet. And when it comes to exploring the possibility of extraterrestrial life, one of the most intriguing destinations is Mars. For years, scientists and researchers have been constantly working towards uncovering the secrets of the red planet and finding any evidence of life that may exist there.
In our upcoming video, we will delve deep into the latest discoveries and advancements in Mars exploration, exploring what we know so far and the mysteries that still remain unsolved. We will take a closer look at the various missions that have been sent to Mars, including the recent Perseverance rover, and what they have revealed about the planet's geological and atmospheric makeup. We will also examine the potential for microbial life on Mars, as well as the challenges that need to be overcome in order to support human exploration. Join us on a journey to discover the possibilities of life on Mars and delve into the mysteries of one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. As we gaze up at the night sky, breathtaking views of stars and galaxies are always in sight. However, Earth's neighbor, Mars, has always piqued our curiosity. Could there be a possibility of life on this red planet? According to recent studies, the answer might just be yes. The planet Mars has been studied for decades, with new discoveries being made each year. In fact, NASA's Mars exploration mission has uncovered a plethora of evidence that suggests the existence of water on the planet. Water is a crucial component of life, and its presence on Mars raises the possibility of life existing on this distant planet. Furthermore, with the recent discovery of methane gas on Mars, the possibility of microbial life forms existing on the planet has increased significantly. Methane gas is a common byproduct of life, and its presence on Mars suggests that there might be living organisms on the planet. While it is not definitive proof of life on Mars, the discovery of methane gas opens up an entirely new avenue of research. The abundance of minerals on the planet's surface is also another strong indicator of the possibility of life on Mars. Recent studies have shown that the presence of minerals like hematite, goethite, and pyroxene strongly suggests the existence of water and water-related processes on the planet. These minerals are also crucial in the formation of organic compounds, essential for the development of living organisms. Additionally, Mars' atmosphere also plays a vital role in the possibility of life on the planet. The planet's atmosphere comprises 95 carbon dioxide, 3 nitrogen, and 1,6 argon. These gases are essential for different metabolic processes of microbial life. Carbon dioxide, for instance, is a necessary component for photosynthesis, a process that produces organic matter. Scientists have also concluded that the likelihood of microbial life existing deep below the planet's surface is significantly high. Mars has active geological processes, including volcanic activity and tectonic movements that create subsurface habitats suitable for microbial life. These habitats could potentially be shielded from the harsh radiation from the sun, thus increasing the chances of microbial life thriving in these regions. In conclusion, the possibility of life existing on Mars is no longer a far-fetched idea. With various discoveries and studies conducted by NASA and other space agencies, the probability of Mars being home to living organisms is higher than ever before. While we may not have definitive proof yet, the statistics and evidence suggest that the day when we confirm the existence of life on Mars may not be too far away. In conclusion, while there still remains much to discover and many challenges to overcome in our exploration of Mars, the possibility of finding life on this neighboring planet cannot be dismissed. Whether it be through the discovery of ancient microbial life or the potential for more complex organisms living in underground subsurface environments, the prospect of life on Mars is a tantalizing one that we cannot ignore. Furthermore, as we search for signs of life on Mars, we also gain a deeper understanding of our own planet and its potential for sustaining life. The study of Mars also provides an opportunity to develop new technologies and techniques that can be used to explore other planets in our solar system and beyond. Ultimately, our exploration of Mars holds the potential to answer some of the most fundamental questions about the origins of life in our universe. And while
The trailer for NASA's mission to search for life beyond Earth brings to light the insatiable quest of mankind to explore the mysteries of the universe. From the dramatic sounds of beeps, hums, and clicks, The trailer presents a suspenseful atmosphere that builds a sense of anticipation. The trailer portrays the diligent work of the scientists and technicians at NASA as they persevere to uncover the truth behind the possibility of life beyond planet Earth. Striking graphics of deep space and alien planets captivate the audience's attention, transporting them on a journey beyond their wildest imaginations. As the trailer progresses, the viewers are privy to the underlying reasons that fuel the mission, such as unraveling the questions of how life started and what kind of life exists outside our planet. The narration and background score add a cinematic touch to the trailer, compelling the audience to share the same excitement as the mission's scientists and researchers. The NASA mission to explore and discover the vastness of the universe leaves a sense of wonder in the hearts of its audience, while also highlighting the importance of scientific exploration. NASA's mission to search for life beyond Earth is a crucial step in our understanding of the universe. With over 100 billion planets in our galaxy alone, the possibility of extraterrestrial life is high. The search for life on other planets is not a recent phenomenon, as NASA's first attempt dates back to the 1960s with the Viking missions to Mars. Since then, they have sent several rovers and landers to Mars to collect data on the possibility of life. One of the most exciting findings is the presence of water on Mars. As of 2021, NASA's Curiosity rover has detected 3 of the Martian surface containing water. This is a significant discovery as water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. To date, NASA has sent over 40 missions to Mars alone, and there are plans for more in the future. Aside from Mars, NASA is also interested in the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. These moons, Europa and Enceladus, respectively, have evidence of subsurface oceans that could harbor life. In fact, they both have plumes of water vapor emanating from their surfaces, indicating the presence of liquid water. NASA has planned future missions to explore these moons, including the Europa Clipper and Enceladus Life Finder. But NASA's search for life doesn't just involve sending missions to planets and moons. The agency also studies the atmospheres of exoplanets, or planets outside our solar system. One method NASA uses is the Transit Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS, which looks for planets that transit, or pass in front of, their host stars. This allows scientists to analyze the composition of the planet's atmosphere, including the presence of molecules that suggest life, such as oxygen and methane. So far, TESS has discovered thousands of exoplanets, and NASA's upcoming James Webb Space Telescope will study their atmospheres in even more detail. Additionally, NASA's Kepler mission has shown that there may be 1 billion Earth-sized planets in the Milky Way galaxy alone, with many in the habitable zone of their stars. Despite all the progress made, the search for life beyond Earth is far from over. It's a complex and challenging task that requires advanced technology and years of research. However, NASA is committed to continuing its efforts in searching for extraterrestrial life, as the knowledge gained from such a discovery would be monumental to our understanding of the universe. In conclusion, NASA's mission to search for life beyond Earth is a fascinating and necessary endeavor that has the potential to change our understanding of the cosmos.
The Drake equation is an intriguing concept that has captivated the minds of scientists, astronomers, and sci-fi enthusiasts for decades. Simply put, the equation attempts to estimate the probability of extraterrestrial life by taking into account various factors that could influence the existence of intelligent life in the universe. This equation was proposed by astronomer Frank Drake in the 1960s and has undergone numerous revisions since then, while still remaining a subject of great interest and debate. Our video delves deeper into the history of the Drake equation and introduces viewers to the 7 variables that are taken into consideration while making calculations. These include factors such as the rate of star formation, the number of planets per star system, and the likelihood of intelligent life evolving on habitable planets. We explore the implications of this fascinating equation and discuss its significance in our search for extraterrestrial life. With the discovery of thousands of exoplanets in recent years, the Drake equation has taken on a new level of relevance, and its application to current data can provide us with valuable insights into the question of whether we are alone in the universe. Join us as we explore the Drake equation and embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of our universe. The Drake equation is a probabilistic equation that attempts to estimate the number of intelligent and technologically advanced civilizations that may exist in our Milky Way galaxy. It was developed by American astronomer Frank Drake in 1961 and has since been updated to account for new discoveries in astronomy and astrophysics. The equation includes several variables that are necessary for life as we know it, such as the number of stars in the galaxy, the fraction of stars with planets, the fraction of planets that are habitable, and the likelihood of life developing on those planets. According to the Drake equation, there could be anywhere from a few to millions of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy alone, with a median estimate of 10. But it's important to note that this is just an estimate, and the reality could be vastly different. Not all variables in the equation are well understood, and some may be impossible to accurately determine. For example, the likelihood of life developing on a planet depends on a multitude of factors such as the planet's proximity to its star, the planet's atmosphere, and the presence of water, among other things. We also don't know how long civilizations can last, making it difficult to estimate how many are currently out there. Regardless of its limitations, the Drake equation remains a valuable tool in helping us understand the potential for extraterrestrial life and fostering discussions about the existence of intelligent life beyond Earth.
As we enter the 21st century, the field of astrobiology has become increasingly important. The search for life beyond Earth has captured the imaginations of scientists and the public alike, with new discoveries such as the detection of potentially habitable exoplanets and the presence of water on planets and moons within our own solar system. The study of astrobiology seeks to answer some of the most fundamental questions about life in the universe, such as how it originated and how it may have evolved on other planets. Astrobiology also has implications for our own planet. Studying the conditions necessary for life to exist elsewhere can help us better understand the fragile ecosystems of Earth and the impact of climate change. Additionally, the search for extraterrestrial life has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the origins of life on Earth and how common or rare life may be in the universe. As we continue to explore and learn more about our place in the cosmos, astrobiology is a critical field for advancing scientific knowledge and deepening our understanding of the universe and our own existence within it. Astrobiology, the study of life beyond Earth, is a critical scientific field that is gaining increasing importance in the 21st century. With NASA announcing their recent discovery of water on the Moon, and the ongoing search for evidence of life on Mars and other planets, the importance of astrobiology has never been more apparent. According to survey data, 64 of Americans believe that there is some form of life on other planets, driving increased public interest in the field. Astrobiology also plays a vital role in understanding the origins of life on our own planet. Through studying the characteristics of extreme environments, such as hydrothermal vents, researchers have gained valuable insights into the early origins of life on Earth. Furthermore, astrobiology could help us to better understand the impact of potential extraterrestrial life on Earth, or how our own activities could affect life on other planets. The field of astrobiology is also highly interdisciplinary, drawing on chemistry, biology, physics, and earth and planetary sciences. This multidisciplinary approach is essential to tackling some of the biggest questions in science. Where did we come from? Are we alone in the universe? And what is the future of life on Earth and beyond? By bringing together experts from different fields, astrobiology can provide innovative solutions to some of the most pressing challenges facing our planet today, including climate change and space exploration. In conclusion, astrobiology is of increasing importance in the 21st century, providing insights into the origins of life on Earth and our search for extraterrestrial life. Given its interdisciplinary nature and its potential to address major scientific challenges, astrobiology is a critical field that has the power to shape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. In conclusion, the importance of astrobiology in the 21st century cannot be overstated. The search for life beyond Earth is not just a scientific endeavor, but a quest that touches the deepest questions of our existence. Who are we? Where do we come from? Are we alone in the universe? By investigating the origins and limits of life, astrobiology can also provide us with new insights into our own planet and its future. As we explore other worlds, we learn more about the delicate balance that makes life possible on Earth, and how we can protect and preserve our planet. Furthermore, astrobiology has the potential to drive technological innovations and create new industries in space exploration, including resource extraction, energy production, and habitats for human colonization. The interdisciplinary nature of astrobiology, which draws on fields such as biology, chemistry, geology, astrophysics, and engineering, also fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing among diverse communities, and inspires a new generation of scientists and thinkers. Ultimately, astrobiology challenges us to expand our horizons.
Did you know that out of the billions of planets in the universe, water has only been found on a small percentage of them? However, the presence of water is crucial in supporting life on any planet. In fact, scientists have identified water as one of the key ingredients in the search for extraterrestrial life. Without it, the chances of finding microbial life or even complex organisms become slimmer. But why is water so important? For starters, it acts as a solvent, allowing for chemical reactions to occur and for nutrients to be transported throughout an organism's body. Water is also essential for regulating temperature on a planet, as it has a high heat capacity and can absorb and release large amounts of energy. In addition, water provides a stable environment for organisms to live and reproduce in, as it can shield them from harmful radiation and other environmental hazards. As we continue to explore our universe, the search for water on other planets becomes increasingly important. From the icy moons of Jupiter to the potentially habitable exoplanets in our own galaxy, scientists are on the lookout for any signs of liquid water. Join us for an in-depth look into the role of water in supporting life on other planets. Water is an essential element for life, and it is thus not surprising that scientists are searching for signs of water on other planets. Recent studies revealed that our galaxy alone has over 40 billion habitable planets, and the possibility of finding life on these planets is increasing with each new discovery. The discovery of water on other planets would be the ultimate evidence for life beyond our own planet. The study of planets outside our solar system is known as exoplanet research. Thus far, scientists have discovered more than 4,000 exoplanets, and that number continues to increase. However, the search for water on other planets is not an easy task. Unlike our solar system, where Mars and some of Jupiter's moons are known to have liquid water, the conditions outside our solar system are much different. One of the most promising methods of detecting water on other planets is through direct observations. Scientists have used the Hubble Space Telescope, which is capable of detecting water vapor in the atmosphere of exoplanets. The James Webb Space Telescope, which is set to be launched in 2021, will provide greater capabilities for detecting water on distant planets. Another method for detecting water on other planets involves studying the behavior of stars known as flare stars. These stars often produce intense bursts of radiation, which can cause water molecules in a planet's atmosphere to break apart. These broken down molecules produce a unique signature that can help researchers determine the presence of water on a planet. Additionally, the study of exoplanets has demonstrated that water is a common element in our galaxy. Researchers found that 25 of all exoplanets between 1 and 4 times the size of Earth that orbit within the habitable zone of their host star have water on them. This is exciting news as it is an encouraging sign for the presence of habitable planets within the galaxy, and hence, life outside our own planet. Moreover, the role of water in supporting life is crucial. On Earth, all forms of life require water to survive. It is the key component for enabling critical biological processes such as respiration, digestion, and metabolism. The presence of water also helps to stabilize the planet's environment, which is essential for the long-term stability of any ecosystem. It is therefore logical that water would be necessary for any form of life to exist on other planets as well. In conclusion, the search for water on other planets is significant because it provides the ultimate proof of whether life can exist somewhere else in the universe. Scientists are continually conducting research, and thanks to advancements in technology, they are getting better at detecting and studying exoplanets. With over 40 billion habitable planets out there, the possibility of finding water on other planets is high, and the discovery of this fundamental element would bring us one step closer to understanding the origins of life in our universe. In conclusion, the role of water in supporting life on other planets cannot be overstated. Despite the vastness of the universe, we have only scratched the surface of our knowledge about planets beyond our own solar system. However, we do know that the presence of liquid water is a critical factor for the emergence and maintenance of life. The newly discovered exoplanets that lie within the habitable zone of their respective stars give us hope that we may not be alone in the universe. As research progresses, scientists will continue to refine their methods for detecting the presence of water on distant planets. On Earth, we have seen how water sustains life in all of its forms. As we explore other worlds, we will undoubtedly find a vast array of life that has adapted to its unique environment. The possibility of discovering other intelligent life forms is an exciting prospect that will continue to.
The search for extraterrestrial life has been one of the biggest quests of mankind throughout history. Are we alone in the universe? This question has tantalized humanity for centuries. With the advancement of technology and scientific understanding, we are now closer than ever to finding the answer. The search for extraterrestrial life provides an overview of our current understanding of the search for life beyond our planet. From the discovery of water on Mars to the Kepler mission, which has discovered thousands of exoplanets, there have been many exciting developments in the field of astrobiology in recent years. Scientists are investigating the possibilities of life on moons in our own solar system such as Enceladus, Europa, and Titan. They are also looking to planets outside our solar system that could harbor life in their habitable zones. The search for extraterrestrial life examines the conditions that are necessary for life to exist and the methods that are being used to detect signs of life on other planets. With interviews with leading experts in the field, this documentary presents an up-to-date overview of the most important issues facing astrobiology today. Join us on this exciting journey to unlock the mysteries of our universe and find out if we are truly alone or not. The search for extraterrestrial life has been a fascination for humans for centuries. With the advancements in technology, specifically in the field of astronomy, scientists have been able to explore space in greater detail. According to a survey conducted by the Pew Research Center, 65% of Americans believe that there is intelligent life outside of Earth. This widespread curiosity has led to numerous missions, both manned and unmanned, to explore our solar system and beyond. NASA, a leader in space exploration, has dedicated many resources to the search for extraterrestrial life. The agency's Kepler mission, launched in 2009, has discovered over 2,600 exoplanets, or planets outside of our solar system, with over 50 of them located in the habitable zone, the range of distance from a star in which liquid water can exist on a planet's surface. This discovery has greatly increased the possibility of finding life on other planets. In addition, NASA's Mars rover missions have scoured the red planet for any signs of past or present microbial life, with recent discoveries of liquid water indicating the possibility of habitable conditions. The search for extraterrestrial life has also been conducted by private organizations. One such organization is the SETI Institute, which uses radio telescopes to search for any signals from other intelligent civilizations in the galaxy. In fact, according to the SETI Institute, there are currently over 4,700 exoplanets that are known, which increases the probability of finding life beyond our planet. The institute has received funding from individuals such as Mark Zuckerberg and Yuri Milner to expand their search for extraterrestrial life. However, despite the technological advances and increased probability, the search for extraterrestrial life remains challenging. The sheer size of the universe makes it difficult to search every potential planet for signs of life. Furthermore, the possibility of life existing in different forms that are not recognized by humans also presents a challenge. This has led some scientists to focus on finding signs of microbial life, as it is more likely to exist in our own solar system, specifically on icy moons such as Europa and Enceladus. The search for extraterrestrial life has also raised philosophical and theological questions. If we were to find intelligent life outside of Earth, how would that change our view of ourselves and our place in the universe? And how would it affect our religious beliefs? These questions have been debated amongst scientists, theologians, and philosophers for decades. Despite the challenges and unanswered questions, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to captivate our imagination and drive exploration. With further advancements in technology and increased funding, we may one day find definitive proof of life beyond our planet. As Carl Sagan famously said, "The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, seems like an awful waste of space." To summarize, the search for extraterrestrial life has been ongoing for centuries, gaining momentum through advancements in technology and continuous exploration. With 65% of Americans believing in the existence of intelligent life outside of Earth, the search has gained widespread attention. However, despite the probability of finding life outside our planet, the search remains challenging due to the vastness of the universe and the possibility of unknown forms of life. Nonetheless, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to inspire curiosity and exploration, with the hope of one day finding definitive proof of life beyond Earth. In conclusion, the search for extraterrestrial life is an ongoing endeavor that has captivated the imagination of humans for centuries. With advancements in technology, our ability to explore the cosmos and understand the conditions necessary for life has greatly increased. From the discovery of microbial life on Earth to the discovery of exoplanets in habitable zones, we are one step closer to finding evidence of life beyond our planet. Although we have yet to find conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life, the potential for its existence is undeniable.
Planetary science is a fascinating field that explores the world beyond our planet and our solar system. At its core, it's the study of the processes that shape the planets, moons, and other celestial objects that inhabit the universe. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the basics of planetary science, from our own planet Earth to the outer reaches of the solar system and beyond. Our experts will guide you through the latest discoveries, theories, and technologies that are shaping our understanding of the cosmos. With stunning visuals and cutting-edge graphics, we'll dive deep into the science behind planetary formation, the formation of stars, and the chemical processes that shape our universe. Our team will also delve into the fascinating world of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars beyond our solar system, and explore the possibility of life beyond Earth. Whether you're a science enthusiast or just curious about the world around us, our video is the perfect way to learn more about planetary science and the mysteries of our universe. So sit back, relax, and join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Planetary science is an incredible field that allows us to explore and learn about the incredible celestial bodies that make up our solar system. This includes everything from planets and moons to asteroids and comets. Understanding the fundamentals of this fascinating science is important for anyone who is interested in space and the mysteries of the universe. Did you know that there are over 200 moons in our solar system? Or that Jupiter is the largest planet, with a diameter that is over 11 times that of Earth? By delving into the basics of planetary science, you can begin to understand the significance of these statistics and how they relate to the discoveries that scientists have made over the years. From the formation of our solar system to the search for extraterrestrial life, the study of planetary science has the potential to unlock some of the most profound secrets of the universe, and it all starts with a basic understanding of the underlying principles.
From the depths of space to the tiniest microorganisms, astrobiology is a field that explores the origin of life in the universe. Our latest video explores the exciting possibilities of astrobiology and how it could shape our understanding of life on Earth and beyond. Join us on a journey of discovery as we delve into the mysteries of the universe and search for the origins of life. Using cutting-edge technology and innovative research methods, astrobiologists analyze everything from ancient fossils to extraterrestrial rocks in order to unravel the secrets of life's beginnings. They ask fundamental questions, like what are the conditions necessary for life to begin and thrive? And is there life beyond Earth? The answers they uncover could transform our understanding of our place in the cosmos and even change the course of human history. We'll take you on an action-packed adventure across the universe, from the depths of the oceans to the outer reaches of space. You'll meet the pioneers of astrobiology and hear their groundbreaking insights into the mysteries of the universe. Whether you're an armchair explorer or a scientist in the field, this video will leave you inspired and awestruck, with a newfound appreciation for the wonders of the cosmos and the origins of life. Astrobiology is a field of study that aims to understand the origins of life in the universe. According to statistical data from NASA, there are over 100 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy alone, and there are at least 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. This means that the potential for life to exist beyond Earth is unimaginably vast. One of the prevailing theories for the origin of life is the idea of abiogenesis, which suggests that life spontaneously arose from non-living matter. This theory is supported by statistical evidence that suggests the building blocks of life, such as amino acids, can form naturally in the environment. In fact, a recent study found that amino acids can form in the harsh conditions of space, further supporting the possibility of life beyond Earth. Another theory for the origin of life suggests that it may have been seeded on Earth by comets or meteorites. While this theory is still controversial, statistical evidence shows that organic molecules and even simple life forms have been found on meteorites that have landed on Earth, providing further support for the idea of panspermia. Despite the vastness of the universe and the statistical likelihood of life existing beyond Earth, the search for extraterrestrial life remains a daunting task. However, with recent advancements in technology, such as the discovery of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, and the development of new instruments that can detect signs of life, the search is becoming more promising. In conclusion, While we may not have concrete evidence of life beyond Earth, the statistics and scientific theories suggest that the potential for life to exist in the universe is immense. As we continue to explore and discover new worlds, the question of the origin of life and the possibility of extraterrestrial life remains a fascinating and awe-inspiring mystery to unravel. In conclusion, astrobiology and the search for the origin of life in the universe is an incredibly exciting and important field of study. From the discovery of extremophiles living in some of the harshest environments on Earth, to the exploration of Mars and other planets in our solar system, scientists are making incredible strides in understanding what it takes for life to exist. As new technologies and techniques are developed, we are able to search for signs of life beyond our own planet, both in our own solar system and beyond. While we have not yet found definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life, the possibilities are endless and the implications for discovering life elsewhere in the universe are staggering. Not only would it redefine our place in the cosmos and challenge our understanding of biology and evolution, but it could also have profound philosophical and theological implications. Ultimately, the search for the origins of life in the universe is a never-ending quest for knowledge and understanding.
The trailer for Life on Europa exploring Jupiter's icy moon begins with stunning visuals of Jupiter looming over the camera. We hear the voice of a scientist, explaining that Europa, one of the planet's many moons, is the most likely place in the solar system besides Earth to have life. The camera zooms in on Europa, revealing an icy, cracked surface surrounded by a crustal plate that looks like it's been broken apart and reassembled multiple times. Cut to a team of scientists huddled around screens and equipment in a laboratory. They're discussing the challenges of exploring Europa, from the extreme radiations surrounding the planet to the vast distance between Earth and Europa. One scientist explains that the team is developing a robot capable of drilling through the moon's icy surface and collecting data on what lies beneath. We see footage of the robot's design, which looks like a larger version of a Mars rover, but with a giant drill attached to the front. The camera cuts back to the scientists in the lab, who explain that they hope to find microbial life on Europa, and that such a discovery could have profound implications for our understanding of life in the universe. The trailer ends with a dramatic shot of the robot being launched into space, accompanied by a swelling orchestral score. Life on Europa promises to be a thrilling exploration of what may lie beyond our own planet. Life on Europa is a topic surrounded by mystery and intrigue. This icy moon of Jupiter has fascinated scientists for years, and with good reason. Europa has the potential to hold more than twice the amount of water found on Earth. That means there is a possibility of life existing in the vast subsurface ocean that covers the moon's rocky interior. The probability of life on Europa is high, given that it has the right building blocks of life, such as water, heat, and organic compounds. The existence of hydrothermal vents on the seafloor of Europa further bolsters the chances of life existing in its depths. In fact, scientists have found evidence suggesting that there are plumes of water vapor spewing from the surface of the moon, providing further evidence of its water-rich environment. Exploring Europa is no easy feat, given its distance and hostile environment. However, NASA has set its sights on sending a mission to Europa in the near future. The Europa Clipper mission, set to launch in 2023, will study the moon's surface and subsurface environment in detail. It will use multiple science instruments to gather data on the moon's geology, composition, and potential habitability. Additionally, the Europa Lander mission, set to launch in the coming years, will attempt to land on the moon's surface to investigate its geology and determine the thickness of its icy crust. Despite the excitement surrounding these missions, exploring Europa comes with significant challenges. The moon's surface is covered in a thick layer of ice that could potentially be dozens of kilometers thick. There are also concerns about the radiation levels on and around the moon. Jupiter's intense radiation belts pose significant risks to spacecraft, and scientists need to develop new technologies to protect manned missions from the damaging effects of these particles. The potential discoveries that await us on Europa make the risks and challenges worthwhile. Besides the possibility of finding life, Studying Europa will help us learn more about the formation and evolution of our solar system. The Moon's geology and composition can provide clues about the processes that shaped the solar system over 4 billion years ago. Its icy environment could also teach us about the conditions that existed during the early years of the solar system, when ice was more abundant. In conclusion, exploring Europa is an exciting and challenging venture that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the solar system and potentially provide answers for one of the biggest questions in science: are we alone in the universe? The Europa Clipper and Europa Lander missions will be the first steps in unlocking the secrets of this icy moon. With the right technology and expertise, we can discover life and unlock secrets that have been hidden in Europa's depths for billions of years. After years of research and exploration, the mission to Europa has finally come to an end. The data and images captured by the spacecraft have provided a wealth of information about the enigmatic icy moon. The evidence of a vast subsurface ocean on Europa has sparked excitement in the astrobiology community, as the possibility of finding life beyond Earth becomes more realistic. Even though the mission to Europa has concluded, the discoveries made will continue to shape our understanding of the universe. The exploration of Europa marks a significant milestone in space exploration, showcasing the incredible feats of human ingenuity and technological advances. As we continue to explore the outer reaches of our solar system, the discovery of life on another planet could fundamentally change our understanding of our place in the universe. The exploration of Europa may have just scratched the surface of what's possible, and we can look forward to future missions that will build on the knowledge we've gained to In a universe teeming with otherworldly discoveries, our own earthly influence threatens the delicate balance of these extraterrestrial wonderlands. Interplanetary protection, the safeguarding processes and practices put in place to preserve the pristine conditions of space environments. But as we gear up for more ambitious missions into the unknown, like the upcoming Mars rover launch, can we really ensure the safety of other planetary systems from our own biological contamination? Our upcoming video takes a deep dive into the world of planetary protection, featuring experts working behind the scenes to ensure our interplanetary explorations don't come at the cost of the great cosmic ecosystems we discover. From the labs analyzing microbes and extraterrestrial viruses to the engineers devising ways to sanitize spacecrafts and rovers, we'll unveil the mind-boggling complexities and unexpected hurdles of planetary protection. Join us as we glimpse into the future of exploring other worlds while preserving their virgin habitats. Planetary protection is a critical aspect of space exploration that aims to preserve other worlds from the harmful influence of Earth's contamination. In the course of exploring other planets, spacecraft leave behind a multitude of organic and inorganic substances that can compromise the planet's scientific integrity and the possibility of finding extraterrestrial life. In fact, extensive research has shown that microbial life can survive even in the harshest environments, which means that our spacecraft could inadvertently introduce Earth's microorganisms into other worlds, potentially altering the planet's delicate ecosystems. According to a study conducted by the National Research Council, the potential risks of introducing Earth's microorganisms to other planets are enormous. In one scenario, introducing Earth's microorganisms to a planet could cause an infection that could decimate natural systems and eliminate potential life forms. In another scenario, organisms from Earth that survive on the planet's surface could produce substances that could make it virtually impossible to detect other life forms. These kinds of risks have prompted various space agencies to establish strict guidelines and protocols to ensure that spacecraft leaving Earth are free from contaminants that could affect other worlds. NASA's Planetary Protection Office, for example, plays a vital role in ensuring that spacecraft and other instruments are rigorously sterilized before launch. This is done through a series of cleaning processes that involve washing and wiping down all equipment that will come into contact with the planets or moons the spacecraft plans to visit. Additionally, the spacecraft is exposed to a variety of sterilizing gases and UV radiation to kill any remaining microorganisms. These procedures are rigorous as contamination can lead to long-term damage on the planet and the entire mission. For instance, A recent study revealed that microbes can survive on spacecraft surfaces for extended periods and may not be completely killed off by traditional sterilization methods. Interestingly, the ethical dimension of planetary protection has not only stemmed from the potential impacts on other worlds but also from the need to respect the inherent value of other life forms. In this sense, preserving the integrity of other planets and moons is not only good for science, but it also reflects a responsibility to acknowledge the interconnectedness of all life in the universe. As cosmic explorers, our impact on other worlds ought to be thoughtfully considered in order to preserve their intrinsic values as well as our own. In conclusion, planetary protection is a crucial aspect of space exploration and science that ensures the integrity of celestial bodies and preserves the possibility of discovering extraterrestrial life. With the development of ever more sophisticated methods of exploring our universe, we are given more opportunities to discover new worlds beyond our own. However, this also means that we must carry the mantle of custodianship, protecting the intrinsic value of these worlds and ensuring they do not succumb to the deleterious effects of our own existence. In conclusion, planetary protection is a crucial part of the space industry as it serves to preserve the integrity of other worlds beyond Earth and the potential for extraterrestrial life. With the advancement of technology and the increasing interest in exploring the solar system, it is imperative that we continue to adhere to strict guidelines and protocols. While it may seem counterintuitive to limit the scope of exploration, doing so ensures that we do not unintentionally contaminate and alter the very environments we are seeking to study and understand. Scientists and space agencies around the world are working diligently to create innovative solutions and strategies to further enhance our efforts in planetary protection. The International Planetary Protection Association, IPPA, continues to develop and revise guidelines for missions to ensure the strictest measures are taken. As we continue venturing out beyond our own planet, it is vital that we remain aware of the impact we have on the universe and